Hello everyone. I'm just going to take you through a very quick screencast about how to use Book Creator. Very, very simple. So you're going to need to click on the link that I've put on the Google site and use the invite code because otherwise you have to pay for the website. So it's free for teachers at the minute. So use the invite code that's on there as well, and you should come to something that looks kind of similar to like this. You obviously won't have the books from other pupils yet, but I have set up library so that you will be able to see when books come in and you'll be able to read them from other pupils and from other projects. Okay, so what you want to do is click on the one that says new book. You can choose any of these size of books or ratio of books. I'm just going to click on the middle one. It's a nice size, nice shape. Okay, so this is your cover. So what you then need to do is you need to go to the plus button at the top, and first of all you can put text on. So for example, my book of well-being. Okay, done. Excellent. Now at the minute it's a little bit boring, so I'm just going to click on it and go to the eye. Now this is where you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can obviously make it bold or italic, you can change the font. So you can do really nice things with the aesthetics of it as well, okay? And I'll let you just explore those in your own time. Change the color as well, etc, etc. So now the other thing you can do is you can use the camera to take a photo, and you can also record your voice on there as well, so hopefully it will load up quite quick. I will use that picture because I look great, clearly. Okay, and then obviously in a couple of minutes it will just upload for you, and you can then again resize it how you want. It's very, very intuitive, and you can just make it look as good or as complicated or intricate as you want to, really. So the next thing you want to do is then when you've done your front cover, you're obviously going to need to just click on the next arrow here, and you can always go back as well if you're not happy or if you need to add something and whatnot as well. So just a couple of other things that you can do is if I just double click on there, wants me to do like that, no problem at all. You can draw on it. I'm going to just show you with this, so you can obviously do your own drawings with it as well if you need to. Press done. Hopefully it will come up in a minute. Then you can also obviously go back into you can create hyperlinks, so if you find a good website that you want to add and people can click on it and go to that, you can as well. It is just a case really of exploring, to be honest with you. And you can then also just press play and read through it as well. You can see it kind of acts like a book, like that. Okay, so if I just come out of that and go back to editing. Now when you've gone to the last page, you can just see it's just the arrows turned into a little plus like that. All you need to do is just click on that plus and you'll get more pages as well. Okay, so that's kind of it really. Yeah, if there's any questions or anything else at all, please just give me a shout, that'd be great. But otherwise just have fun and explore, and as I said, you can make it as complicated or as simple as you want. Ultimately it's just getting all your ideas down into one place. Cool. Good luck, guys.